Hello guys, this is LP with S&W Service and Repair, and I just want to talk to you guys that run service calls over a long period of time or expanded distance. Like I run about 200-mile radius, and what I want you to know is you need to make sure you have everything for your vehicle. In addition to your towing packages like AAA or whatnot, make sure you have some type of air pump, tires get low. Make sure you have things to change your flats. Make sure you have jackets and coats and raincoats in the car. You don't want to be out here looking crazy if something happens. You want to make sure that you have everything you need when you're out here driving these and covering these calls at a long distance. Umbrellas, make sure you have everything you need, guys. It could be really tricky out here. Some of these places are rural, you don't have a lot of help. You want to make sure that you are covered for the most part as best you can on your end, because a lot of times you're out here and you don't have a lot of help. So make sure that you're taking care of yourself. Make sure you have all the things you need to be prepared as you go out on these trips to service these customers, okay? Because if you are an independent contractor, you can't call a company and get somebody out there. It's all on you. So make sure that you are well aware and prepared as you go out on these calls. It's a little advice, man.